Okay, scholars, today we're going to talk about solving equations. Couple things you need to know. Number one is you want to always do the opposite. So if you have an addition problem, you want to subtract. If you have a subtraction problem, you want to add. If you have multiplication, you want to divide. And if you have division, you want to multiply to get the variable by itself, which is the object. The object of solving equations is to get the variable by itself on one side of the equal sign. Okay, so we're going to talk about first one-step equations. And with one-step equations, it's really not hard at all. You see, number one is a addition problem, so I'm going to subtract 12 from both sides. Now my pen just decided that it didn't want to work. Subtract 12 from both sides. Hmm. Let's see. This cancels. M is equal to -2. I don't know why that happened, but it did. So there we go. Let's do a subtraction one. This is -2 equals G minus 9. Again, we want to get the variable by itself. It's a subtraction problem, so we're going to add. So we're going to add 9 to both sides. What you do to one side of the equation, you have to do to the other. That leaves G over there by itself. -2 plus 9 is +7. I want to do a multiplication one. So we have number 3, we have -7y equals -91. It's multiplication, so that means we're going to divide on both sides. Negative, it's going to be +13. +13. Because a negative divided by a negative divided by a negative is a positive. I'll do one more of these, and then you're going to do the rest of this section on your own. So number 4, this is a division. Fractions, it says right here, to get rid of a fraction, you multiply by the denominator. Fractions are division, so I'm going to multiply both sides by 9. Cancel. A equals -36. Okay. The rest of these I'm going to leave for you to do on your own. Try them. Finish that out. We're going to move down to two-step equations. And with two-step equations, it says, number 1, undo addition or subtraction to remove the constant term, which is what we said. We want to get the variable by itself. And then you're going to multiply or divide to remove the coefficient. So in this equation, let's look at number 9. We know that 6 is the coefficient. X is the variable, which we want to get by itself. And 8 is the constant. Okay, make sure you write that down. Maybe I'll bring this down here. 8 is the constant. All right. So what you're going to do now with this one is, again, we're going to look at it. It's number 9 is an addition problem. So we're going to first subtract 8. We're going to do the first step. Subtract 8 from both sides. This cancels. We get 6x equals 50 minus 8 is 42. We're trying to get x by itself. It's still not by itself. So we're going to divide by 6 on both sides to get the 6 away. From there, x is equal to 7. See how easy? Let's do 14. This says 11 equals x over negative 5 plus 8. Again, we're going to first move the constant. So we're going to move it to the other side. We're going to subtract 8 from both sides. That leaves x and negative over negative 5. 11 minus 8 is 3. We're going to then multiply. Then it says to undo, we're going to multiply or divide. So this is a fraction. This x over negative 5 is a fraction. So I'm going to multiply by the denominator. This cancels. It's negative. So we're going to multiply by negative 5. This cancels. So x is equal to negative 15. And that is your answer. Okay, I'm going to leave the rest of these for you to do on your own. Make sure you have completed your notes. Look into your class notebook under classwork for any remaining activities. For the rest of the week, we will be doing this and reviewing our notes. This will go on page 12, I think. I think it's page 12. So cut it out and stick it on. And then tomorrow I'll have some notes for page 13 and some more practice work for you. All right. Thank you.